Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll talk about solving linear equation. We will using moving and dividing to solve any linear equations. Equation is mathematical statement containing a known, and we have many different of equations. We have linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, and so on. So in this video, we'll talk about linear equation. The linear equations can be written with one operation like this, or we have two operations like this one, or we have a known on both sides like this example. So we have many different linear equations. Okay, the technique to solve any linear equation is using these steps. Number one, simplifying, then moving, then dividing. So, what's the simplifying? Simplifying, if there is any brackets in the equation, so you have to expand it. Like, for example, you have a times b plus c, so you have to use the distributive by multiplying a with b and a with c. Then after that, you can use the next step, which is moving. So the moving is on the side of the equal, on the sides of the equal, you have to move the number to the number and then the letter to the letter. Okay, so then after that you will have this, that letters in one side and numbers in the other side. After that, use the next step, which is dividing. Dividing is to divide by the number of the letter, which is the coefficient. So the one letter on the left side equal numbers divide the coefficient. Okay, we will see this in the given example. The first example, solve the equation, and we have this equation, 5x plus 4 equal 19. As we see here in this equation, so 5x is the letter, and 4 and 19 is the number. So we know the technique that we have to move the number to the number and letter to the letter. But here only we have one letter. So all what we need is to move 4 to the other side, and don't forget to opposite its sign. Any number you move it above the equal, you have to opposite its sign. So we have 5x equal 19 minus 4. After that, after we finish the moving, we have to divide by the number of the letter. Here the coefficient or the number of the letter is 5. So we have to divide both sides by 5. Okay, by cancelling 5 from this side, so we will have x. And after calculation, we will have 3. So it's x equal 3. This is the solution of this equation. Okay, see this example, solve the equation, and we have in the equation 7x minus 12 equal 2x plus 5. So here in this example, we have variable on both sides. Now, it's clear here we have the letters and numbers. The letters is 7x and 2x, and the number is negative 12 and positive 5. So all what we need is to put the numbers on a side and the letters on another side. So we will move like this. Now 2x has become negative and 12 has become positive because we have to opposite the sign for the number that you move it. Now simplify the left side and the right side. But as you see here on the left side we have letters, on the right side we have the numbers. So we will add it together. Now on the left side we will have 5x and the right side we will have 17. Now after moving we have to do dividing. So the number of letter here or the coefficient of x is 5. So dividing both sides by 5 and then cancel 5 from here. So you will have x equal and 17 divided 5 is 3.4. Okay, now we have this example. We have 4 times 3x plus 4 equal negative 8 times in the brackets 2x plus 5. Alright, since we have here a bracket, so we have to use the first step, which is simplifying by expanding the brackets. So we will multiply with distributive 4 on the first brackets, and we'll do the same things with negative 8 and multiply it by 2x plus 5. Now, 4 times 3, which is 12x, and 4 times 4, which is 16. Negative 8 times 2x is negative 16x, and negative 8 times 5, it will be negative 40, so we will have 12x plus 16 for the left side equal the right side negative 16x minus 40. Alright, so now we will have this example. After we finishing with simplifying, we'll using moving. So we have the letters and the numbers. We will put it like this and opposite the sign. As you see now, 16x has become positive and 16 has become negative because we have to opposite the sign. So 12x plus 16x and negative 16 minus 40. 12x plus 16x is 28x and on the right side we will have negative 56. By dividing both sides by the coefficient here is 28, so, and we cancel it from this side, so we will have x equal negative 2. So this is the solution of this equation. Okay, so the technique to solve any linear equation is by using simplifying, moving, and dividing. Don't forget simplifying by expanding the brackets, moving that to put numbers on the sides and the letters on the side, and then after that dividing, that means divide by the coefficient of the letter or the number of the letter. This is about solving linear equation. Thank you for watching us. See you next video, inshallah.